We have a small farm of 3D printers that has been set up to manufacture face shields a few days after we had shut down to work remotely. I was handling tickets with information technology on behalf of the College Professional Studies, and had an inquiry from a faculty member that had wondered if there was some way that our 3D printers could be helpful in the current pandemic. I test printed a couple of these files that I could just download from the internet. When I realized that we could definitely manufacture in some sort of scale, and we got up and running. I went to the university with my car, and I said, I'm going to take as many of these things as I can possibly fit inside my car and move them into the space that I have inside my own home. We have 6 3D printers running about 24 hours a day. We started out with 200 face shields a week. This one actually specifically here, which was a lot thinner and used less material, and therefore took a lot less time to produce each one. So within the first week and a half to 2 weeks of this production, we were able to double our volume. We have sent hospitals at this point, and then additionally to these hospitals that we've sent off, we've also started sending off to police precincts, fire departments, and EMTs. And we were able to help a bunch of our own resources that have to function, the critical workers that are at St. John's University. So we've sent some to our mailroom, to our cleaning staff, and to our public safety workers as well. We've made approximately 1,100 full face shields that we have donated. Behind me over in the corner, I have about another 200 that we can get boxed up at some point either this evening or tomorrow morning, and then sent off to the university for distribution. There is a relatively large group of people other than myself who is involved in this project, and I think that without them, it wouldn't make a difference how many of these things I can actually build, because they would have nowhere to go. For St. John's University to be able to help our first responders, to the doctors and the nurses that are within our community, these are the people during a pandemic who are the most in need, and in a secondary way helping the members of our society within the greater New York area to keep them safe. And if we can help with that, that's our mission. We need to be able to help those in need.